This one's really simple. First of all, we need to go to the search bar and type in Epic Games Launcher. Once that's open, go to your library, right-click Fortnite, click Manage. Next up, hit the Open Install Location button next to Installation. Go into the folder Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64, Easy Anti-Cheat, and then all we need to do is right-click on the Easy Anti-Cheat X, click Show More Options, then near the bottom, click Create Shortcut. Next, we want to right-click the shortcut, click Properties, and in this target section here, all the way at the end, press space, quotation marks. And then what we'll do is we'll right-click Run as Administrator, and then that should have repaired your issue. However, if that didn't work for you, there are a couple more variations depending on what Windows edition you're using. So if we right-click that again and go back to Properties, try it again with either a space in front of repair and the end of repair, or get rid of the quotation marks altogether so that it looks like that. Let me know if that fixed it for you, and thanks very much for watching.